Today's video is applying false lashes, kind of the process that I go through, a couple little tips and tricks, and I kind of do a little before and after shot too. So I hope it's helpful and hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I pretty much already have my makeup done. I'm just adding mascara and lashes. So first I want to curl my lashes. This is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Just putting a thin coat on the top. And I'm probably going to do some on the bottom too. That's just mascara. Then I'm going to do lashes. So I would say the most classic style that pretty much looks good on everybody are ardell wispies. These are the demi wispies. So what that means is they're a little bit shorter and they fan from short to long. Which is what natural lashes do. This is just the multi-pack. So like if you can't find the singles, you could always get these. And I like black. Alright, you want to have a pair of tweezers or a little lash applicator on hand for this. And when you open your package, they're like this. They don't have the adhesive that's for your eye. They're just like this to be attached to the package. So you want to take your thumb and kind of pull down, and that keeps them totally intact. So they go from shortest to longest. So the shortest part, you want that on the inner corner of your eye, and you want that to line up with kind of where your lashes, the main part of your lashes begin. So I'm going to pull them over this way just a tad. And I'm going to show that I need to cut about this much off. Again, they're not attached. I'm just doing this to measure. So I've worn lashes similar to this before. And what I'm going to do is take off the last like 4 little clusters, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that on both eyes because I know that's what I need. This is what it looks like after it's been trimmed. And this is the length of the one that hasn't been trimmed. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other. Cut the little cluster, like the little 4 clusters off, and now they're ready. Now, I don't have my favorite glue. Of course, after I decided I was going to record this, I realized I didn't have my favorite glue. So I just have this little eyelure one that came with a set of lashes. It works fine, but my favorite is the Kiss with aloe. It's in a little tube. Real easy to use. Have my lash here, my glue, use on a thin line. I'm going to set that one down, pick up my other, same process. Okay, I'm gonna let them dry for just a sec. This is the amount that I cut off of each. So they're very long. That's too big for most people's. That's part of what makes them uncomfortable, is because if they're too far in, when you blink, they're gonna feel like they're poking you constantly. So I've got my first one. I'm going to put it right where the center would be, the center of the lash. Be careful, obviously using tweezers near your eye. Take the center, the inside part. And you just want to make sure all areas are attached and kind of apply gentle pressure. And if you feel like you can't get it attached, you can use your tweezers, kind of grab the lash gently, the fake lash, and just kind of press it. Kiss lashes usually come with a really good applicator. So if you've never done them before, that might be better than using tweezers. So there it is. So the lash goes to about here on my lid. This is with the lash, this is without. Makes a huge difference. Take it and sit it on your lid as close as you can get to your real lash line. And even after it's attached, I like to go back and just make sure every area is really on there. You may be able to tell on this one, there's a little bit of glue that hasn't, I got a little clump of glue, so that needs to dry, but that's what it looks like looking down. But that's done. Alright, hope you enjoy, hope this helped.